Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS won't close properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to wear and tear on the closure mechanism, which can lead to further complications if not addressed promptly. If left unattended, it may cause the device to malfunction completely, resulting in more costly repairs down the line. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a replacement closure mechanism, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure your Dyson HS is turned off and unplugged. Carefully use your screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry the casing apart using your tweezers. Be cautious not to damage any internal components while doing this. You should now have access to the closure mechanism. The fault usually lies within this component, so look for any signs of wear or breakage. If you spot any issues, gently disconnect it by unclipping the connectors. Remember to note where each cable goes for easy reassembly. Once it's free, take your replacement mechanism and ensure it is correctly aligned before connecting it back into place. When reconnecting, apply even pressure and be careful not to force any components, as this could lead to further damage. After the new mechanism is securely in place, reassemble the casing by carefully aligning it and replacing the screws you set aside earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once reassembled, it's important to test the closure mechanism to ensure it operates smoothly. Open and close the Dyson HS several times to confirm everything is working as it should. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to keep your device clean and regularly check the closure mechanism for any signs of wear. Regular maintenance can help prolong the life of your Dyson HS and keep it functioning optimally. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.